विजय बाबा आणि 3-4 दिसांनी ZP polls असा. How do you look at these ZP polls? Would it be turnover? What exactly?
See, ZP polls are inconsequential polls. Every newspaper in Goa, every media outlet in Goa knows that powers have not been given to ZP. It is an inconsequential poll. It is being manipulated. It is being all rules and laws are thrown to the winds. Ministers are having meetings saying their interactions, and there is no code of conduct. Code of conduct violations continue. In Maya, a candidate of the BJP was caught campaigning. He says Sarkar amcha ha. So this is the way it is going on. So this is just an exercise to create a facade of acceptance for Pramod Sawant's illegal government. Basically, this victory or manipulation of results would be seen as a way of endorsement from the public for a government which has killed the lives, 700 lives due to COVID mismanagement, and finished the livelihoods of the common man. And in the bargain, passed such things, such projects which have been seen to be immoral and also illegal. The linear projects and permissions given to them in a haste have been proven to be not only immoral but also illegal by the High Court. So this shameless government should immediately roll back the projects which are being opposed by every section of Goan society, by the youth who have up to now not shown any political interest, who are now coming on the streets, who are doing their novel ways of protest. And now the farmers of India have given an idea to the people of Goa that everyone should unite to remove the corrupt and ineffective and anti-Goa government of Pramod Sawant.
How do you see yesterday's youth coming forward? And
It is a very welcome step. India is a young country. The number of voters between the age of 18 to 35 are 65% of the votes in Goa. So this segment of society, if it takes interest in people-centric issues that govern the future of Goans for posterity, which our party has made a campaign called #SaveGoaNow, because you need to save Goa now to enjoy Goa for posterity, for the next generation. Also the intergenerational equity, which the Archbishop has said in his Mass, for the feast mass of Goincho side, is also something which has to be taken in. Ours is the first political party which has said that the Goinche Mati movements, intergenerational equity policy when it comes to mining, that mining should not be finished all in one go, should be preserved for every generation to enjoy the wealth which is the wealth of the state and the wealth of the people. We are the first political party to endorse this and say that we will make it part of the manifesto. It is left now to other political parties to also join and take proactive steps to defend the interest of the sons of the soil, defend the interest of Goa.
today, once again, also you made a statement saying that opposition needs to come together to co-fight.
See, today's protest may be a symbolic protest. The farmer laws are not very relevant to Goa. I have been agriculture minister. Farmers produce can directly be sold to the markets, directly be sold to any private buyer. गोंयांत तशें जर पळोवंक गेलें जाल्यार हे फार्मर लॉज रेलवंट ना. पूण पंजाबचे हरियाणाचे शेतकारांनी दाखयलेलें की एक सरकार जाका मद मारता, जाका ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी आहा, ह्या सरकाराक जर करंट ताजे अर्थ करपाक जाय जाल्यार रस्त्यार येवन ताजेर संघर्श करप. आनी सगळे ओपोजिशन पार्टीज, 24 मेजर ओपोजिशन पार्टीज have shown support to the Bharat Bandh. This may not be effectively a bandh, but it is a symbolic protest which has united the opposition. There is always a saying that for the opposition to be effective, the opposition should at least express its view that it is the opposition. When the opposition goes silent, where will democracy exist? Democracy will die. So for the opposition to express itself as a first step to it becoming victorious once, I think the farmers of the country have opened the eyes of all people, especially the political parties, that they have to unite to throw the BJP. You cannot fight a lone ranger battle. You cannot be lone wolves trying to go around to. You will only be dividing the vote and benefiting the BJP. So it is high time that those political parties which are living in some sort of self glory and dreaming about Ekla Chalo Re should open their eyes.
Why do you think one farmer does not come under one?
दोन फार्मर्सांक हो इशू चड लागना गोंयांत शेतकारांचो इशू हा शुगर केन कंपनी फॅक्टरी काबार केल्या आज उसाचो उत्पादक जो आहा उसाचो शेतकरी आहा ताका फ्युचरूच ना कित्याक आमचो उशी काणो आमचो सर्टनली ऑफ लोवर क्वॉलिटी दॅन अफगाण कित्याक आमचें वॉटर रिटेंटीव सॉयल आहा आमची लॅटरायटीक सॉयल आहा एज अ रिजल्ट तांचो उशी काणो चड वेट आसता म्हणटकीर वी कॅनॉट कम्पीट वीथ देम अशा टायमार आमची फॅक्टरी तांणी बंद करिता हो गोंयचो शेतकारांचो इशू मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्रायसाचो इशू गोंयांत जे भशेन आहा गोंयांत कितें आहा आवर लेबर कॉस्ट इज व्हेरी हाय ओनली वेन द फॅमिली लेबर इज इनवॉल्व देन एग्रीकल्चर बिकम्स फिजिबल वायेबल म्हणून हांव एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर आसतना खूब दुसरे एव्हेन्यूज दाखयता लायक इको टुरिजम लायक ब्रिंगींग ग्लॅमर टू फार्मींग लायक हॅव्हिंग शेड्स इन द मिडल ऑफ द फिल्ड्स by which the field remains green always and also agriculture prospers and the farmer prospers. So allied operations गोंयचो मॉडल्स डिफरंट आहा गोंयचे शेतकऱ्याचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आनी देशाचे शेतकऱ्याचे प्रॉब्लेम एक ना म्हणून गोंयच्या शेतकऱ्यान आनी कोण पॉलिटिकल लिडर्स तांणी जी सॉलिडॅरिटी दाखयल्या दीस इज टू एक्सप्रेस सॉलिडॅरिटी बाय अ सेक्शन ऑफ द पीपल हू हॅव कम टू ओपोज the anti-people and arrogant government at the center. Same thing, I gave them an example. And in 1974, the rail strike laid the foundations for Indira Gandhi going home. She also had at that time enjoyed brute majority. Mr. Modi also enjoys the brute majority. So maybe farmers are showing us the way. And maybe it is the first step towards ushering in democracy in the country.
Okay.